Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up and preparing the Bose QC Ultra earbuds. Charge the case and earbuds to at least half so battery operations are stable. Once done, open the case near your phone and the earbuds will enter pairing mode. That immediate wireless handshake avoids manual button presses. Make sure to install the Bose Music app because it provides firmware updates and precise controls. The app also explains fit and ear tip options, which matter for noise cancellation, performance, and comfort. You pair next and optimize fit. Open Bluetooth on your device and pick QC Ultra from the available list, or follow the Bose app prompts for a guided pairing that ensures the correct profile. Then run the app's fit test. A proper seal boosts active noise cancellation and bass response, so try alternate ear tips until the test passes. After pairing, customize touch controls and ANC versus awareness settings in the app so gestures and noise reduction behave the way you want. You finish by practicing daily routines and knowing one key fix. Use single-ear listening or multi-point pairing for two devices. Switch ANC levels depending on environment for battery savings and situational awareness. If you lose connection, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for 10 seconds to clear pairing history, then repair. This resolves most glitches. Finally, make sure firmware stays current and clean ear tips, and charging contacts weekly to avoid dropouts and maintain sound quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.